Hello, I'm Janice Buck, and I'm your facilitator instructor for this course. And I'm just going to give you a little bit of help at navigating through this discussion, through this Blackboard. And if you excuse my voice, I seem to have a cold or hay fever or something going on here, so I feel a little hoarse. Anyway, you're going to start your Blackboard on the announcement page because I give you a lot of hints, a lot of helps, and some pretty interesting information in my announcements. So please start with the announcement page and read the announcements because you will do better in the course if you follow some of my suggestions. Over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see menu options. So let's look at the course information first. This course has, of course, the syllabus, the descriptions, some other things. This is the book we should be using. It's blue. Make sure you have the 8th edition, okay? Let's look at the syllabus. Okay, the syllabus is interesting because it'll show you where you are grade-wise by looking at your percentages and see where you fall in the grade. So just, keep this in mind if you want to see how you're doing. We do not allow any plagiarism, so I expect all of your work to be in your words, and I will run many of these assignments through something called Turnitin, which will check to make sure that there isn't any copying. So use your own words. Don't forget that. It's important to do that. The attendance policy, you have to be in the course every week. Okay, the late policy for this course is, as a standard, late work is not accepted for a grade. Okay, if you have a problem, just let me know before the assignment is due and we can work something out. But don't turn in things a week late and expect a good grade because it's not going to happen. Participation, this is important. For this class, I require that you post on the discussion board at least 5 days out of 7. You can post one or more posts on the discussion board 5 days out of 7, and you will get all the points for participation. The discussion questions do not count. So discussion questions are always due on Saturday. If you post your discussion questions on Saturday, you want Saturday to count, you should also post something else. Post to a fellow student, find some interesting information and post it. Whatever you think is good, but make it meaningful. Make it something that everybody wants to read. Don't just write, "Oh, I agree with you, Roger. That's a great idea." That is not a good post. A good post would be, "Roger, according to what you say, I agree with you, but I found this other article online, and the article says that this is a little bit incorrect." Just keep it respectful and keep it interesting. Okay, so that's all the rest of this, I think. Okay, let's go back to the main menu. You can find something about me here. The seminars are what we do every week. So this week's week number 1, we are on seminar 1. And we can click here. So every single week in this course, you're going to have discussion questions due on Saturday, and you're going to have a case study due on Wednesday. Courses run from Thursday to Wednesday. So Saturday, you always have discussion questions, and Wednesday, you always have a case study. And the case study, I've got a rubric here. I posted in the discussion board an example of a case study. There's lots of information about how to do a case study. So read that and make sure you're trying to do it right. Here's the discussion board. Discussion board for seminar 1. I've got a place for you to introduce yourself. This is where you're going to post your discussion questions. I put extra material here. And when I've already got it in here, here's some PowerPoints to help you out for chapter 1 and 2. I've got a little discussion thing that you can do, and how to do a case study, including an example of a case study. So here's here's exactly what you need to do for all of your case studies, okay? And don't forget that, because I grade those very carefully. Okay, that's about it. You're going to be going to the seminars to find out what work you're going to do. The discussion board is where you post your discussions. I'll show you one more thing in seminars because some people miss this. When it's time to submit your case study, okay, you've written it very pretty, it's in APA format, it's all ready to go. How do you submit it? You double click here on this word, and this is where you can either copy and paste it, or you can copy and paste it by saying write a submission, or you can browse your computer and upload your Word document. So either one will work fine, okay? I hope this helps, and I'm looking forward to this class. I hope you are too. And we'll see you on Thursday.